Foshan Nanhai Hualun Guanse Decoration Material Factory located in Foshan City, Nanhai District, Lishui Town, Dachong Industrial Zone, we're a manufacturer and exporter of polystyrene moldings, wall decoration products like photo frames, picture frames, and mirror frames, and WPC or PVC wall panel. We own 13,000 square meter factory area. We have 9 polystyrene molding production lines, 5 laminating machines, and 7 wall panel production lines. We have attained many certificates from at home and abroad, such as CCIC, ACSO, SONCAP by SGS and CQC. We also have been audited by BV. With years of experience and sustaining training of our people, we own a professional and hardworking team to keep developing and designing of new products for all of our customers. Also, our young and educational sales team has good communication and provides a good service with our customers. We're always striving to rank the top in this field. Our quality standard and innovative team have allowed for our growth and reputation in the decor industry both in Asia and internationally. We're polystyrene molding and wall decor products manufactured in China with the goal of continuous manufacturing a quality product at competitive price with wide range of selections and on-time delivery to meet the demands of your business. With many years in home decor, one-stop service, only welding the best design brings the best life for you.